Interlocking bricks. Save your construction cost by 40%. Imagine a house which is low cost, within which even in the hot summer the temperature is almost 4 degrees and less. That looks just stunning. This is not just a dream but a reality that has helped n number of people in India while building their dream home. Interlocking bricks, as the name suggests, locks itself with the other brick, and it is these interlocks which give bond and strength to the wall. No cement mixer is needed for the bonding. This is the concept which may people not well aware of. However, the amazing advantage of these bricks make it the need of time. The major difference with the normal brick used for construction and the interlocking bricks are: first, interlocking bricks are not baked. It is just mud in high density pressed using pressing machine and allowed to solidify by drying naturally. Some chemicals are also added for increasing the bonding strength. Normal bricks are baked one. Second, the size of interlocking brick is more. Approximately it is 2.5 times more in volume than the baked bricks. Third, weight of interlocking bricks is more than the equivalent volume of baked bricks. Then, the method of construction using interlocking bricks. First, the normal basement is to be laid down first. Since the interlocking bricks have more weight than the conventional brick, a stronger basement is needed. Second, once the basement is laid, one layer of normal baked bricks are placed over the basement. Width of this layer shall match with the thickness of the wall, which is going to be built using interlocking bricks. Third, the interlocking bricks are neatly arranged over this layer. Should use experienced labor, because inexperienced labor it causes some irregularities in their placement, and also it cannot be corrected at a later stage. Next, while concreting the roof, ensure that the edge of the roof project out a little more than the wall. This is to ensure that the rainwater does not flow through the walls. Next, once the construction is completed, the corner of the wall are completely plastered by using cement mortar. This will help to have adequate pressure from the side of the building for brick is bound together. Next, the external wall can be left as such without painting, but the gap have to be filled with like colored cement. Next, if the internal wall need to plastered, it is better to make the surface rough before plastering, since the surface of this brick is relatively smooth. Advantage and disadvantage of interlocking brick. So advantage: cost saving in terms of conventional material like cement, sand and then water. Second, design is more blended with nature, as an artificial bonding mechanism is completely done away with. Third, the walls have more strength than the normal walls. Fourth, these bricks do not heat up as fast as normal brick, hence the room will remain cooler, since no painting is required. Disadvantage of interlocking bricks. First, the space between the interlocks of this brick is enough for insects and ants to set up their homes. However, a ceiling could be done to prevent this. Also, by using pest control or anti-termite method to prevent these issues. Second, if rainwater flow directly through these bricks, the color may fade. We can prevent it by painting. Third, sometimes it is difficult to ensure that availability of same colored bricks for the entire house. Fourth, If not supported by pillars, it is not suitable for building having more than 2 floors. However, pillars are not needed for double-storied building. So friends, considering the facts, interlocking mud bricks are great alternative for building houses that will not only save money but will also help you live closer to nature. Thank you.